In this video, I'm going to show you how to change cell border color in LibreOffice Calc in just a few simple steps. This is a really useful formatting trick if you want your spreadsheet to look cleaner, more organized, and easier to read. Whether you're building a budget, tracking data, or preparing a report, changing border color can help important sections stand out instantly. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tips and easy how-to guides. Alright, let's jump straight into it. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once it launches, you'll see the Start Center. On the left side, under Create, click Calc Spreadsheet if you want to begin a new sheet, or open an existing spreadsheet if you already have one set up. This works the same way whether you're starting fresh or editing a file you already created. Next, go to the spreadsheet and select the cells that already have borders, or the cells where you want to apply a border color. You can click and drag to highlight a group of cells, or select a single cell if you only want to change one area. Make sure the correct cells are selected before moving on, because the formatting will apply to whatever is highlighted. Now, right-click on the selected cells. A menu will appear with several options. From that menu, click Format Cells. This opens the formatting window where you can control the appearance of your cells, including fonts, alignment, background, and borders. Inside the Format Cells window, look for the Borders tab and click it. This is where LibreOffice lets you customize the border style, line placement, and border color for your selected cells. Once you're in the border section, you'll see options for line arrangement and border settings. Now choose the border color you want. You may see a color picker or a line color option, depending on your version of LibreOffice. Select the color that best fits your spreadsheet design. For example, you could use black for a clean professional look, blue for a modern style, or red if you want to emphasize certain values. The color you pick will be applied to the cell borders you selected. After choosing the color, review the border preview if available to make sure everything looks right. If you need to adjust the border style or which sides of the cell have borders, you can do that here as well. Once you're happy with the settings, click OK to apply the changes. And that's it. Your selected cell borders will now change to the color you chose. It's a simple formatting change, but it can make a big difference in how polished and readable your spreadsheet looks. If you want to improve the look of tables, highlight categories, or make reports easier to understand, this is a great feature to know. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more LibreOffice tutorials and practical computer tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.